As things usually happen, Google made a change to Google Places on the very day that I ran the launch of my new product. So I wanted to real quick cover with you what these changes mean. Will they affect what I'm teaching in this training product? And the answer is no. It's not going to affect anything I'm teaching you. Everything that I do to get a ranking on the first page of Google Places is going to stay the same. The only thing that has changed is the way Google Places looks to the consumer who's using it as a way to find companies. So as you see here, I've gone to Google and I've typed in Annapolis Plumber, and this is what shows up. We've got the paid results at the top, and then just under the paid results, we've got our Google Places results A through H. Excuse me, through G, with the little link at the bottom to click on to see more Google Places results. Now, everything here looks pretty much the same. I mean, the important stuff to us in the Google Places listing is the name of the company, the description, and the fact that people can at a glance see where the company is located if they want to just hop in their cars and drive over to, if it's a store, or can call the company immediately. If they're looking for a plumber, they don't have to go anywhere else. They don't have to go to a phone book. They don't have to go to page 2 of Google. They can just, starting with A, start calling these plumbers till they can find somebody who's available and who can give them a good price. That's what we use Google Places for with the offline business niche. Now, what has changed is this. Let's say I am a consumer and I'm looking for an Annapolis plumber. I click on the place page link for this Annapolis plumber here, and everything looks completely different. In fact, they don't have much on this places page. Let me try something a little different so that we can see a good place page with all the information in it. Okay, this one's okay. All right, so what's different? We see this big write a review box, and we see this upload a photo button. We still see the name of the company, the address of the company, the phone numbers of the company. They're still using the tags that people have put in, the descriptions that, the companies have put in, the categories. They haven't changed any of what's in the listing. What they've done is that they don't show the citations from all the directories on this places page anymore. They used to show all the places, all the reviews and stuff. They'd pull them in from other places. Now what they do is underneath the sign in to rate, so that the Google user consumer can sign in and actually rate this company. They have reviews from around the web, and this person only has reviews on super pages, but if they had reviews on super pages, let's say Yelp, Judy's Book, all of those would show here with a link to each one showing how many reviews they have on each one. Instead of reprinting those reviews right here in Google Places, they're making the consumer go to the other website to read those reviews. What Google is trying to do, what they're doing with their +1 button, what they're doing with this, is they're trying to make Google the go-to place for the consumers, where the consumers don't go anywhere else. Okay, so the consumers can come here and they can write a review on the company. They can upload a photo to this Places page, which I think is really cool, because if they upload a photo to the Places page, that can only help boost the Places page in the search engines, just like them adding a review will only help boost the ranking of this Places listing in Google. So there's nothing here that hurts us at all. Nothing at all. And you've heard that citations and reviews will help boost the rankings of a Google Places listing. Well, they still do. Just because they're not published now, just because those reviews are not published on the Places page, doesn't mean they don't have the same power as before. All it means is Google is trying to get the users to write reviews on Google Places so that Google Places will become the new go-to place. And they hope that the users won't actually click away to these other places to see the reviews. Although, if it were me, I'd want to look up all the reviews before hiring somebody, but that's just me. So anyway, this change to Google Places will not affect anything that you're doing or anything that I teach you to do to get a first page places ranking. I just wanted to confirm that.